In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Google Gemini male voice to female. We're going to use Microsoft Edge's built-in Read Aloud feature to change how Gemini's responses sound on your computer. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the address bar, search for Google Gemini, then open the official Gemini website from the results. Once you're in the app, you'll want something for the browser to read, so type a quick prompt in the message box. Something simple like, "Tell me a joke," works perfectly, and then hit the Submit or Send button. Give Gemini a moment to respond. When the response appears, look for the More option on the message, usually represented by 3 dots, and click it. You can choose Listen here to preview how Gemini sounds by default. This is helpful so you can compare it to the voice you're about to select in the browser. Now for the actual voice switch. Right-click anywhere on the page and select Read Aloud. This opens Edge's Read Aloud controls at the top of the window. You'll see playback buttons and, most importantly, a voice selector. Open the voice menu to reveal a list of available voices. You should see plenty of choices, including both male and female voices, often labeled by name and language. Pick a female voice that sounds natural to you. Before you press play, consider adjusting the speed slider. Slowing it down slightly can make longer responses easier to follow, while a small speed increase can keep things snappy without sounding rushed. Press play, and the browser will read Gemini's answer in the female voice you selected. If you don't hear the change right away, make sure the Listen option inside Gemini is paused or closed, and let Edge's Read Aloud handle the audio. A quick note for clarity. This method changes the playback voice on your device only. You're not changing Gemini's identity or settings inside the app. You're choosing how the content is read aloud through your browser. The nice part is that Edge usually remembers your last selected voice, so the next time you right-click and choose Read Aloud, it should stick with the female voice you picked. That's it. Open Edge, get to Gemini, generate a response, use the More menu to preview if you like, then right-click, choose Read Aloud, and select a female voice from the list. With these steps, you'll hear Gemini's responses in the tone and style that fits you best.